Let's see if the bike holds up. Fuck, man, I don't want to fall. This poor front tire is rattling so much. It's like hitting the brake pads as it turns around. And I swear the bladder in the backpack is like broken or something. It feels like it's leaking water. Everything in Springfield's gonna suck. I can feel it. Till I get a new tire up on the front, it's all gonna feel absolutely atrocious. I think I'm gonna try to hitchhike, because this tire's gonna fail on me, and if it does, when it does, I'm gonna be in the biggest crash of all time, and I don't want that fate. Peace.